Today is the day. You are entering your website transformation season. It's time to take your website and elevate it to the next level. I'm talking more credibility, more traffic, and ultimately more success. And today is especially exciting because I'm kicking off a brand new series on this channel called 7 Days to Website Success. And honestly, I'm so excited to share this with you, and it's been a really long time coming. If you're watching this in real time, every Tuesday for the next 6 weeks, I'll be dropping a new video in this series. And spoiler alert, the first one is actually ready for you to go watch right after this. But each video is designed to deep dive into one essential way to optimize your website, whether that's making money, creating trust through strong branding, or using your site to grow your email list. By the end of this series, you'll have the tools to turn your website into your brand's most powerful asset, as it should be. This series is for anyone who has a website but feels like it's not living up to its full potential. Maybe you're a creative entrepreneur, musician, author, small business owner, or just someone who's ready to finally make your website work for you. Whatever brought you here, we're diving into how to take what you have and elevate it to the next level. Before we get into the strategies though, we need to talk about having the right mindset about your website. Because I want you to not only hit your website goals, but to build something that truly reflects you and your brand. After working in this space for over 10 years, designing literally hundreds of websites and working with brands of all sizes, I've seen this over and over. The strategies are out there, the resources are available, but without the right mindset, and by that I mean getting a clear focus on your goals, not copying someone else's, and having a commitment to show up and put your best self out there, it's hard to make those strategies truly work for you. So for this series, you can call me your website director. I'm here to guide you step by step and give you everything you need to build a website that not only works for you, but that you're proud to show off. The vibe of this series is going to be a little different. We're not just going to talk about what you want to hear or what you've already heard a million times before. I'm going to give you the insights that you need to hear. Like I said, I've worked with clients at every level, and I know how overwhelming the advice out there can feel. That's why in this series we're unpacking it all. Practical steps, insights, and actionable strategies that actually make the difference. And to make it even easier for you to take action rather than go into information overload, I've created a free digital workbook for you to guide you through the entire series. It's packed with checklists and prompts to help you implement everything we're talking about in each video. You can grab it right now at katherineforbes.com/7days. And you know it's linked in the description and pinned in the comment below too. So if you are ready to kick things off, I will see you in the first video where we're diving into how your website can start making you more money. It's linked right here for you to watch next. Let's transform your website. I'll see you in the next video.